So, hello again, and welcome to what emotional literacy really means. So, emotional literacy, it's not about being expressive or calm at all times. It's the ability to recognize what you are feeling and to understand why it is present, why you're feeling, what you're feeling, and to respond in a way that protects both yourself and your relationships. And without emotional literacy, feelings either flood the system or disappear underground, neither of which is helpful. So some of you will identify with that, and it would be really helpful and help each other by putting your comments down below, and I will respond to the comments or any questions that you have. So it's about discovering um, what what it is that you're feeling, why you're feeling it, and noticing because you've watched the other playlists hopefully and have learned to notice your body sensations and how you're reacting. So here are three questions that I'd like you to get your good kick-ass journal. um, so I encourage you all like to get a good video, a journal rather, like this one, a good big one, so you can keep journaling on all of these and get it embedded in so you don't forget. And just write it down roughly. There's no right or wrong way to do it. So here's the three questions for this video. How were emotions treated in your early environment? So wherever you were living as a child, most of you will have lived with your parents. How did they deal with emotions? Did they talk about how they felt? Did they say what they, and did they express emotions? Or was it just some emotions and then other ones we don't talk about that? So the second question is, which emotions feel easiest or hardest to name? Which emotions feel easiest or hardest to name? And the third question is, what happens in your body when strong feelings arise? Really strong, if you feel really hurt by something somebody said, or really angry, or even really happy. If you're not used to somebody being very kind to you. I used to get overwhelmed if people were really kind to me. I just wasn't used to it. So those three questions: how were emotions treated in your early environment? Which emotions feel easiest or hardest to name? And what happens in your body when strong feelings arise? And if you find any of those questions difficult to answer, that's a sure sign that you do actually need to pay attention to developing emotional literacy. So bye for now. I'll see you in the next video. Click like and subscribe. And the next video we'll look at will be about your feelings versus reactions. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Bye.